Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Simplicity Made Simple. I am Jessie, in case we haven't met yet, in case you don't really know who I am. I am a simplicity strategist helping busy women overcome the overwhelm with simple solutions and strategies for daily tasks in their lives and homes so they can do more of what they love and less of what they don't. And today I am talking to you guys about simple bathroom organization, specifically in small spaces, because generally when we have large spaces, we don't have as difficult of a time organizing things. Now we may try to stuff more than we can actually fit in those spaces, but that's also true of small spaces. And I know that small spaces can be particularly frustrating because you feel like you don't have enough room to store everything. So I actually have a relatively small bathroom with very little storage in it. So I'm going to show you guys just some of what I have done to maximize storage in my bathroom and other things that I've done in other spaces to compensate for the lack of storage space in my bathroom. Okay, so I'll just show you. I have a pedestal sink, so there's no under sink storage. And then I just have this one wall cabinet. The shower's over there. That's all there is in my bathroom, is pretty much this one storage cabinet. So what I have done is store some washcloths on the shelf up here. I just roll them up. I think they look really cute. And it's practical storage that's not an eyesore. Because if you just try to shove tons of stuff on all your open shelves, it's going to look really cluttered and not really solve your problem because it's still going to stress you out. And I have toilet paper stashed on top so that people can, restock the toilet paper without having to run somewhere else to do it. There are a lot of things in a bathroom that you can store outside of the bathroom, but toilet paper is not one of those things. You want to make sure that you have that in the bathroom, at least a few rolls. And then I have my extra hand towels right here. I hang up all of my bath towels. So I have 4 of them. The 4th one is in use, so it's not currently hung up. But I just have a double towel rod so that I can hang more of my towels on the wall, and I don't need a large linen closet or a lot of storage space for it. And then I have these cute little bins. I think I got them at Big Lots. They're pretty small, but they're super helpful and they're the perfect size. And I put a piece of Scotch tape on each of them and just wrote on the tape with a Sharpie so that it's removable. I can change it up if I need to, but I've had these different buckets in there for these different devoted categories for probably 2 years, and I've left it just like this. My cabinet here hasn't really changed a whole lot in 2 whole years because it works so well for me. So you can establish whatever categories you would find helpful for your own home, your own stage of life, the different products and things that you use. But it is really helpful to corral things into buckets so that you can find things more easily instead of digging around in a cabinet, moving tons of bottles and containers and things aside to find the one thing you're looking for. You can just pull out a bucket like I just did and have just a few things in there, and it makes it so much easier to find what you're looking for. And then, of course, go through the things that you have and check expiration dates, get rid of things that are expired or things that you don't use. I've seen a lot of linen closets and bathroom cabinets in my day that are full of expired things and duplicate products. And it's great to have extras on hand, but you don't need 6 of one thing or a whole bunch of expired things. So just keep that in mind. Try to have, especially inside your bathroom, just try to have what you currently use, and then you can stash extras somewhere else. I have some of mine, I'll turn that back around so you guys can see me. I have some of my extras in a storage closet across the hall from my bathroom. That's where I have guest extras. So I have like soap and little bottles of shampoo and stuff for guests. It's also where I will stash an extra bottle of shampoo or conditioner for myself when I'm running low, because I don't need those things in my bathroom. And then my cleaning products are in a bucket in the laundry room because I use them in other spaces too. They're not just for my bathroom. So that's not too hard, and it's like the next room down the hallway. So that's not too far to go either to get those things. But organizing your bathroom really just comes down to paying attention to what you use most often and figuring out how you can make that process more convenient. And then figuring out how you can store other things in other places and get creative and make the most of your space and really just make it work for you and personalize it. One thing that I'm loving lately that I'm trying in my bathroom and in my kitchen are these cute little organizers. This is just a plastic tray that I picked up at the dollar store. And then I had these different size mason jars, and I got this soap pump. And so I'm just trying, like, filling different things. One of them has coconut oil that I use for a hair treatment, and one has like a sugar scrub that I made for the shower, and one has a face wash. So those are things that I use regularly, so it's really helpful to have them out where I can use them, but in an organized way. I didn't want to clutter up like the one horizontal space I have in here. So keep that in mind and be willing to just try things and mix things up. Like I said, start with your bathroom space, prioritize that because it is prime real estate. You don't want it stuffed to overflowing. You want to be able to find things. You want it to be pretty streamlined. And you want it to not look cluttered. And you can store backup things and extras in a closet or in the laundry room or somewhere else out of sight. And just make sure that you have what you need. That's always what you start with, right? When you're looking to organize, you always get rid of the excess first because that is the most helpful step to organizing what you really need. So I hope that helps you guys. I hope that gives you some inspiration for organizing your bathroom, whatever size or shape it may be. If you have any pictures, I would love for you to add them to the comments. That can be such a fun way to inspire others. And as always, if you have any comments or questions or suggestions for other things that you want me to talk about, let me know because I would love to follow up with you and connect with you guys some more. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.